supposed to discharge the battery to 100% MD. You don't just know, you're not supposed to use everything. Once the battery is charged to 100%, you use the battery, come down to 10%. Not use am to 0% as recommended by the manufacturer. Wey Gostein come dey hear, you need this content. Gostein, yeah, this content is for you. I say this 16 kilowatts.
Yes.
Meaning, if you plug your load, you can see your load from here.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you plug your load and your total load is 1 kilowatt, it means say this battery will take you for 16 hours. Okay. That be the meaning of 16 kilowatt hour.
Okay.
Yes. If your load will dey consume 2 kilowatts, meaning it will take you for 8 hours. Okay. You understand? That be the meaning of the 16 kilowatt hour. Then, according to the manufacturer, they say use only 90%. And if your battery charged to 100% now, you discharge, you're not supposed to discharge to 0%. So if you use the battery reach 10%, it's okay. Because if you discharge from 100 to 0%, it affects your battery small.
You keep the battery.
Yes, small. If it not last, the way they want, the battery last. So 90%. Now we see they recommend, of which we don't already do the settings here. Okay. Once you use the battery to 10%, only the system will off. Right. Then something you need to note, you see that's 90% solar. Normally this battery now we say na 16 kilowatts. Now they tell you say they reserve 10%.
Yes.
Now if you comot 10% from your 16 kilowatts where you reserve, wetin go remain here will be 14.4 kilowatts. So like this so like this you get 14.4 kilowatts to use.
Okay. Reserve
yeah, you reserve that, yes, as the 10%.
Okay.
So you see your battery now as 14.4 kilowatts. And we say if you use 1 kilowatt per hour, meaning this, yeah, so like this now you look to get 14 hours. Since you reserve 10% of backup, so meaning 14 hours. Then inside that 14 hours now, that's first thing first, your battery need to full 100% by evening. So that 14 hours from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the morning and 14 hours. 6 in the evening, yes, to 8 in the morning and 14 hours. Okay. So it just be like once your battery, normally your battery need to charge full. Till by 6 o'clock your battery, before 6 your battery not full normally. So once sun go down, you drop your load. If you use past 1 kilowatt,
less than 1 kilowatt, you will reach that 14 hours.
Yes, they are go like this now. So if you use 1 kilowatt, 14 hours, that be 14 kilowatts, it do like that, it correct. But the process of conversion now, this inverter where they give the light, they consume some small energy. Okay. Yes, maybe the efficiency, they call it efficiency of the inverter. So some energy they lost as heat and things like that. So to the best way, if you, instead of that 1 kilowatt per hour, you drop your load to around 900 kilowatt, 900 watts. So you'll be like say you leave 100 watts for the processing, in the collecting your processing fee. You understand? So if you stay around 900 watts from 6 in the evening, it must take you to the next day. Okay. Yes, as long as your battery is 100% full in the evening, stay around 900, it must take you to the next day. Okay. Yes. So that's so.
Thank you very much, Sunsocket. I really love this setup. It's been wonderful, it's been amazing. Since we set up these panels and inverters and battery, the loads in this house have been fully taken, and there has not been any power outage as long as we stay under the recommended power usage. So I really appreciate Sun Socket.
Wow.
Their work is very neat, as you can see from the setup, even down to the panel outside. It's been a very clean and good job. So I would recommend Sun Socket any day, anytime to anyone. Thank you very much.
So if you have this kind of setup, follow the instruction. It is general. If you have a 16 kilowatt hour battery, follow this instruction. If you have 15 kilowatts, follow the instruction. It is simple. So DM us if you need something like this, something bigger or something smaller. Sun Socket is readily available. Thank you.